I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate.
Hello everyone, my name is Ksenia and today I wanna show you how to crochet a ribbed summer top with thin straps and lacing on the back. And the decoration of this top is a lush yellow flower. I have video tutorial on my channel how to make yellow flower with phone charger. The link to it is in the description of this video. Materials: yarn, crochet hooks 4 and smaller hook, scissors, tape measure, markers or regular thread. I use crochet hook number 4 and start with slip knot on a hook. Yarn over and pull through one loop and chain 45. Yarn over and pull through a loop and repeat this until you have 45 chains. I made 45 chains. Make one chain to start row 1, turn the chain to back of the chain. So I walk into the back bumps. Yarn over, insert a hook into the second chain from the hook and make half double crochet. Yarn over, insert a hook into the next chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 3 loops on a hook. And repeat half double crochet in each chain until the end of the row. To start row 2, make one chain and turn your work. In this row and the next rows you need to make half double crochet to back loop only. Yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop only. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on a hook. And repeat it to the end of the row. Make one chain to row 3 and turn your work. And again make half double crochet to back loop only in each stitch until the end of the row. I crocheted 58 centimeters. You can crochet more or fewer centimeters, it depends on your size. So top height is 18 centimeters. I choose the front side of the top and the edges of the top should end symmetrically. And make one chain and cut the thread. I crochet the cords for the straps and for the back in the same way. Only the straps are shorter, it's 40 centimeters, and I made 4 straps. And the cord for the back is longer, is 150 centimeters. The length of the yarn is about 5 times the length of the desired cord. The first thread is the end of the thread, and the second thread from the ball. Make slip knot. Insert the hook into the loop. Yarn over with the first thread and yarn over with the second thread. And pull through 2 loops on the hook. And again, yarn over with the first thread and yarn over with the second thread and pull through all loops on the hook. And repeat it until desired cord length. Crochet is very easy and very fast. When the cord is crocheted, I tie 2 knots, and I hide the ends of the threads inside the cord with a smaller crochet hook. I did the markup with a regular thread, and I choose the places where I want to connect the cords. I connect the straps to the top from the front side and make a knot. I also do back lacing from the front side. I made a mark on the back and choose 6 attachment points from 2 edges with regular thread. Now I am using a smaller crochet hook. Thanks for watching, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write comments. Bye bye.
Anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love